What's up guys, my name is Vinay Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. And today I found the new street vendor which is near to my home, and he has something special which is known as Aloo Vale Gol Gappe, stuffed potato balls. Let's see. First he is making the stuffed yogurt balls for someone else. Let's see how he is making. He takes 6 empty balls which is known as small puris and add small amount of potatoes and then add cold plain white yogurt. Now he is adding the red sauce which is on a sweet side and made from tamarind, green sauce which is very spicy and made from green chili, coriander and spinach, these are saves which is also known as semia. It is made from potatoes which makes the ball more crispy. And now it's my turn. He's mashing the potatoes very carefully and fill in the small puris. Garnish of save which make the stuffed ball very crispy. And here it is, my stuffed potato ball. You can see the potato is on the green side because he added green and red sauce and also a small amount of black chickpeas, onion and squeeze of lemon. Let's have a first bite. It is so filling that it's just set in your stomach. This is the explosion of flavors. Wow. Well, thank you for watching this short video, and if you like this video, press the thumb button and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.